The Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 is not just another vehicle on the road, it is the beginning of a new era in urban mobility. For decades, auto rickshaws have been the backbone of public transportation in busy cities. They are affordable, widely available, and provide a livelihood for millions of drivers. But traditional rickshaws, powered by petrol or CNG, have always had their downsides. They consume fuel, release harmful emissions, create noise pollution, and require regular maintenance that costs time and money. The Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 is designed to solve these problems while introducing new features that make it smarter, safer, and more comfortable than anything we have seen before. When you first see the Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026, it immediately grabs your attention. The design is unlike older rickshaws that look basic and functional. This one looks modern, with a sleeker body and a more aerodynamic shape. The exterior lines are smooth and futuristic, giving it a bold road presence. At the front, sharp LED headlights light up the path clearly at night and consume less energy compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The side profile looks balanced with wider wheel arches and a sturdier stance, while the rear end is equipped with stylish LED taillights that make the rickshaw visible and safe in traffic. Even small details like chrome accents and color options show that this rickshaw is built with attention to style as much as function. Stepping inside, the cabin feels completely different from the old auto rickshaw experience. Instead of basic, hard seating and a noisy, cramped ride, you are welcomed with a spacious interior designed for comfort. The passenger seats are cushioned with high-quality fabric, giving 3 people plenty of space to sit without feeling squeezed. The floor is covered with anti-slip material that makes it easy to clean and safe in all weather conditions. The driver's cockpit is another highlight. The traditional mechanical meter is replaced with a smart digital dashboard that displays speed, battery percentage, estimated range, and even alerts if there is any issue with the system. This makes driving not only easier, but also more informed. Some versions even include USB charging ports so drivers and passengers can charge their phones on the go, and optional infotainment screens that can play music or navigation, making the ride experience far more enjoyable. Performance is where the Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 truly stands apart. It is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, which is lighter and longer-lasting than the traditional lead-acid batteries that were once common in electric vehicles. On a single charge, this rickshaw can travel anywhere from 120 to 160 kilometers depending on driving conditions, passenger load, and road type. That means a driver can complete an entire day's work on just one charge. The motor delivers smooth torque, allowing the rickshaw to accelerate quickly and handle city traffic with ease. The ride feels stable, and because there is no engine noise or vibration, the overall experience is quiet and calm. Passengers who are used to the loud noise of older rickshaws immediately notice the difference. Charging has been designed to be simple and flexible. The rickshaw can be charged at home with a normal socket overnight, which is convenient for small-scale drivers. For commercial operators who need quick turnaround times, fast charging options are available that can recharge the battery to a usable level in just a couple of hours. This flexibility means the vehicle is always ready for work and minimizes downtime. Battery life has also been improved, with the 2026 model offering thousands of charging cycles, meaning drivers do not need to worry about replacing batteries frequently. When it comes to cost efficiency, the benefits are massive. Traditional rickshaws rely on petrol or CNG, both of which are becoming more expensive and harder to sustain. With the Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026, there is no fuel expense. The cost of electricity for charging is only a fraction of what daily fuel would cost, and because electric motors have fewer moving parts, maintenance is minimal. There are no oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust systems, and no frequent breakdowns caused by overheating. This means drivers save money every day and earn more from their work. Over time, the difference becomes huge, turning this rickshaw into not just a vehicle, but a financial investment that pays back quickly. Safety and reliability have also been given serious attention in this model. The chassis is built with reinforced steel to handle daily wear and tear. The suspension system is stronger and more stable, allowing the rickshaw to handle uneven city roads without giving passengers a rough ride. Disc brakes have been introduced for better stopping power and improved safety in busy traffic. Combined with the stability provided by a lower center of gravity, the vehicle feels solid and secure even with a full passenger load. For drivers and passengers alike, this means a much safer travel experience compared to older models. Environmentally, the impact is equally important. The Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 produces zero tailpipe emissions, which means no smoke, no harmful gases, and no contribution to the air pollution that plagues so many cities. It runs quietly, which reduces noise pollution in crowded urban areas. Imagine city streets filled with these instead of noisy petrol rickshaws. The difference would be clear in the air we breathe and the sound around us. For governments and organizations looking to reduce carbon emissions, vehicles like this are a practical step toward a cleaner and greener future. But beyond the technical aspects, what makes the Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 truly unique is its balance of practicality and modern technology. It is affordable enough for drivers to buy or lease, advanced enough to compete with other electric vehicles in performance, and stylish enough to attract passengers who want a better ride experience. For many drivers, it becomes not just a means of earning money, but a source of pride. For passengers, it changes the way they think about commuting in a rickshaw, turning a basic trip into a comfortable journey. And for the cities where these rickshaws operate, it transforms transportation into something cleaner, quieter, and far more sustainable. The Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 is not just an upgrade, it is a revolution. It shows how innovation can solve real-world problems without making life complicated. It shows how drivers can earn more while spending less. It shows how passengers can travel in greater comfort and safety. And it shows how our cities can breathe cleaner air and reduce pollution. This rickshaw is not simply a machine, it is a statement of progress, an answer to the challenges of urban transport, and a vision of what the future can look like when technology and necessity come together. The future of mobility is here, and it is sitting on 3 wheels. The Electric Auto Rickshaw 2026 is ready to redefine urban transport, ready to empower drivers, and ready to make our cities cleaner and quieter. It is not just a step forward, it is a leap into a smarter, greener, and more sustainable tomorrow.